Folks, it's a 2014 Toyota Tundra SR5 Crew Max 4x4. It's one owner and it does not have a speck of rust anywhere on it. Got the 4.7 liter, got the power adjustable rear window, trailer tow, windows lock still cruise, CD, got the big screen in her with the backup cam, nice set of tires, switch off 4-wheel drive, SR5 sport package. Inside is like new. Car drives exceptional. Not an issue at all. It's a Toyota, folks. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this truck. Starting down payment's going to range, safe to say $1,500 is going to be the bottom line of that down payment, but you're getting one hell of a truck, folks. Guaranteed credit approval, 2 current pay stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Come on, check the Tundra. We got 2 in stock, lots of crews too. DasCleveland.com.